What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of a popular white wine grape variety from Italy. This corresponds, in fact, to two different grape varieties grown in two different regions. There is the Grechetto di Orvieto, that is grown in Umbria, making the famous DOC wines from Orvieto. And there is the Grechetto di Todi, that is grown in the Emilia-Romagna. In both cases, the wines made from Grechetto are relatively light-bodied and high in acidity, not all that fragrant, but deliciously floral and a little bit fruity. The wines from Grechetto. Yes, the CH in Italian is pronounced like a K, like a K, and then you do want to insist on the double T and insist on the middle syllable, Grechetto. It'd be fine in English to say Grechetto. Il vino di Grechetto. Grechetto from Umbria and Grechetto from Emilia-Romagna. If you want to learn more about all types of Italian wines, how to pronounce them and beyond, here are many more videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir, arrivederci, ciao ciao.